In this age of artificial intelligence, crafting original music takes just 3 mouse clicks, even if you lack musical expertise. When you explore relaxing melodies on YouTube, the astonishingly high average video views for such content become evident. Some of them are having 3 million views, 10 million views. Upon analyzing a particular channel on Social Blade, let's check earning of this inner meditation music channel. It's evident that it garners monthly earnings of $7,000. Our upcoming video will demonstrate how you can produce your own music videos using AI tools without any cost. Additionally, we'll evaluate 2 free AI music generators. Let us begin. Part 1. Creating AI musics in 3 clicks. Introducing the initial AI music generator tool, Tracksy. Link is given in the description. Go to their terms of use. It's clearly mentioned you can use these musics in YouTube and monetize it by giving proper credit. Don't forget to read all other details. To initiate the process, tap the Sign Up button. You have the option to register using your email or Gmail account. Following the completion of registration, log in and hit the Create Track button to initiate the production of your complimentary AI music. Initially, pick your desired music genre or mood. For instance, we'll opt for the ambient music genre in this illustration. Subsequently, determine your preferred music length, spanning from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Lastly, initiate the creation of your AI music by clicking the Create My Track button. After the generation process concludes, you can directly play your AI-generated music. If content with the outcome, save it. If not, click Create My Track again for fresh AI music. To obtain your AI music, access the library and select the download option. Remember, incorporating a license or attribution is crucial within your content description. Click Download. This will download your AI-generated music. Part 2. Creating video for AI music for free. Navigate to the Canva dashboard and choose the video option. Proceed to the element menu, entering your desired video style. Within the search bar, explore the Video tab, then select the preferred video style. Right-click and opt for the Lock Background feature. Let's play this video. You can observe there is watermark in the video. Now to get free stock videos or photos, go to pxels.com. In search bar, select your video category. You can also add filters if you want. Select a nature video which you like, and click Download. Now go to Canva and add that video. And adjust video size according to the template. Right-click and opt for the Lock Background feature. Right-click and duplicate the video to match audio size. Now add the audio which created in Part 1. And adjust its position accordingly. Let's play and test the video. You can see there is no watermark. To download this video, click Save and select Format MP4 and click Download. Your download is now complete. Thank you for joining this AI tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe, and share to support my work. Looking forward to seeing you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial. Goodbye.